Hi, everyone. Another important facet of our course this semester is to learn about the energy codes that shape our buildings. So let's take a look. Starting again with a broad overview, let's talk about building codes in general. What exactly are building codes? They are regulations, and they're related to a building's construction, its alteration, its maintenance, and use. Okay, so any of these factors can be regulated using building codes. What are the purpose of building codes? Why do we have them? They are designed to protect the health, safety, and welfare of the general public. So we're trying to keep our population and our people safe using building codes. Notice a lot of people think that it's very important that building codes protect the property, protect the buildings themselves. But in truth, the codes are designed to protect the people, both the people occupying the building and those outside the general public. Let's talk about model codes next. The IBC, or International Building Code, is a model code. Local jurisdictions, such as your city, your county, your state, may adopt a model code, often with some amendments. They might change a thing here or two. All right. Your local code that has been adopted is what governs your particular building project. And one more, let's throw a acronym in here at you. It's AHJ, or Authority Having Jurisdiction, because it varies in some locations, might be a city, might be a county, etc. Having one name for this makes the discussion a little bit simpler. The International Code Council produces these different codes, and you can see there are a number of them: building code, residential code, fire code, etc. The one that we're mostly going to study in this course is down here right in the bottom center. It's the International Energy Code. So here we are, the International Energy Conservation Code, IECC, is unique among the I codes. So we just talked about what is the overall purpose of building codes. They are to protect the health, safety, and welfare of the public. Instead, the Energy Conservation Code doesn't address life safety. It doesn't even address property protection. Instead, the intent is to regulate the design and construction of buildings for the effective use and conservation of energy over the useful life of the building. We've just talked about how the driving societal need right now at this point in history is for sustainability. The Energy Conservation Code is designed specifically to address this need. And as we get into a little bit more of its details, you'll see that there are actually different requirements. It's split into a residential and a commercial building section. All right, everybody, in this little section of our lecture, we got our feet wet and talked about building codes, what they are, what their purpose is, the International Building Code and model codes in general, and then specifically about the Energy Conservation Code, which we're going to study in much more detail as the semester goes on. Thanks, everyone.